You've been using AI wrong, not morally wrong, but inefficiently wrong. Here's the truth. Most people sit down, type a prompt, and hope the AI reads their mind. They want one-shot perfection, and they never get it. Then they blame the AI or, worse, blame themselves. I'm going to show you the single biggest productivity shift I've made with AI tools. IT takes your output from meh, I'll fix it later, to okay, that's actually usable in half the time. It's called the draft then critique workflow. Here's how most people use AI. They write one prompt, get one answer, and either use it as is or give up. That's like hiring a chef, ordering once, and eating whatever lands on your plate without saying a word. The better way is 2 passes. Pass 1, generate raw material. Tell the AI to be exhaustive, to dump everything, to not filter itself. You want breadth here, not polish. If you're writing an email, ask for 3 different approaches. If you're planning a project, ask for every possible risk and every possible solution. No judgment yet. Pass 2, switch hats. Now you're the editor-in-chief. Open a new chat, same topic, but now your prompt is critique the output above. Find the weak points, the logical gaps, the unclear sections, then rewrite it, fixing everything you found. This is where the magic happens. Why does this work? Because the same AI that generates content is also capable of evaluating it, but it can't do both well at the same time. Think of it like writing. You don't draft and edit in the same pass, right? Same principle applies here. Let me give you a concrete example from my own workflow. I write scripts for this channel. If I ask an AI write me a YouTube script about time management, I get something generic and soulless. But if I first ask brainstorm 20 angles for a video about time management for freelancers, dump mode, then open a fresh chat with here are 20 angles, pick the 3 most original ones and write a 3-minute script using just those. The result is night and day. The first pass gives me raw clay, the second pass sculpts it. Another example, debugging code. First pass, explain this error and suggest 10 possible causes. Second pass in a new chat, given those 10 causes, which one is most likely based on the actual stack trace, and write the fix. You skip the rabbit hole of wrong assumptions. Here's the pro tip. Don't do both passes in the same chat window. Start fresh new conversation. Why? Because the chat history biases the AI toward its first answer. A blank context forces it to evaluate from scratch. With fresh eyes, you'll catch things the first pass missed. Point 1 quick workflow trick. Clip this video or screenshot this. Dump first, critique second. Always in a new chat. Put it on a sticky note by your monitor. IT takes 5 extra seconds per task and saves you 20 minutes of editing bad output. So next time you open ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini or whatever you use, resist the urge to ask for the finished product. Ask for the raw material first, then switch to editor mode. Point 2 passes, 2 chats, 1 drastically better result.